For years, the world asked a simple question: can technology understand us the way we understand life? Our voices, our images, our documents, our problems? It was Google who listened. Google saw how people struggled with information, decisions, delays, confusion, and decided to take on the challenge. The answer they created was Vertex AI, a powerful, unified mind designed to help every human, every business, every industry move with clarity and confidence. Google didn't build Vertex AI for experts alone. They built it for everyone, for teachers, for drivers, for creators, for families, for businesses trying to keep up with a fast world. Vertex AI is Google's platform where intelligence is built, trained, and brought to life. A place where models like Gemini can understand language, images, sound, code, and transform them into meaningful solutions. Google didn't want AI to be complicated. They wanted it to be useful, simple, human. Google asked itself, what if AI could see what we see, hear what we hear, read what we read, and connect all of it together? That question gave birth to multimodal intelligence, a new kind of AI that understands not one input, but every input. Text, images, audio, video, sensor data, all processed together, just like the layers of the human mind. A smarter system for a more complex world. Google knew the world didn't need more theory. It needed real solutions. Logistics companies facing storms, deliveries, and unpredictable roads, so Google taught Vertex AI to read weather patterns, study maps, analyze satellite images, and predict delays before they happen. What once took teams of analysts now takes a few seconds. This is Google's vision, technology that understands reality and helps humans move through it with ease. Google saw millions of drivers confused by one simple thing, a warning light. A symbol nobody understood. A problem nobody could explain. So Google built a virtual assistant powered by Vertex AI and Gemini. A driver can now take a photo, ask a question, speak naturally, and Google's AI finds answers across manuals, guides, videos. Then explains the solution like a friendly mechanic sitting beside you. Google transformed confusion into clarity, fear into confidence. This is not just about cars or deliveries or businesses. This is about making life easier for every human. Google created Vertex AI to remove the weight of complexity and return time, peace, and understanding to people. Fewer support calls, faster problem solving, instant knowledge, a world where help arrives the moment you need it, from technology that finally understands you. Google believes the future is not humans versus machines. It is humans plus AI working together. Vertex AI is Google's promise, a promise to make intelligence accessible, kind, helpful, and human-centered. The unseen layers of AI are no longer hidden. They are here, shaping a better world, one problem, one moment, one solution at a time. This is more than technology. This is Google's way of bringing clarity to a complicated world. Welcome to the age where AI understands you. Welcome to the world powered by Google's Vertex AI. If this message opened something inside you, if even for a moment you felt the quiet power of a world becoming smarter, kinder, and easier to navigate, then don't let the feeling slip away. Technology is changing, yes. But so are we. And somewhere between your questions and Google's answers, a new kind of clarity is being born. A clarity that helps you move through confusion, through hesitation, through the moments where life feels too complex to handle alone. If you want more stories that reveal how the world is evolving, more insights that make difficult ideas simple, more gentle guidance through the noise of modern life, then subscribe, not for the channel, but for the part of you that wants to stay informed, empowered, and ahead of the uncertainty. Share this video with someone who feels overwhelmed by the speed of change. Someone who needs to know that intelligence, human or artificial, is here to make life easier, not harder. And leave a comment, not for engagement, but for connection. Your thoughts might be the spark that helps someone else see their path more clearly. Here, in this space, we learn to walk with technology instead of fearing it. We grow with it. We make sense of it. And we rise, one insight, one breakthrough, one quiet moment of understanding at a time. When the future feels uncertain, don't step back. Walk with us. Together, we make the unknown feel familiar. And if you want these moments of clarity to find you at the right time, tap the bell icon. Not for alerts, but for reminders that growth is a journey and you don't have to walk it alone.